In this video, I'll show you how complete beginners are starting eBay dropshipping businesses in literally one weekend and how people are making over $100 a day with this. Now, I know a lot of you want to start an online business, but you feel really stuck because the whole process just seems time-consuming, expensive, confusing, and really just overwhelming. And I know that's how I felt when I used to work a 9-to-5 job and was looking for something different because I wasn't in love with what I was doing and I felt a bit stuck. I wanted a way out, but nothing really seemed like it would work, to be honest. And if you're watching this video, then chances are you feel the same way that I did. You want out of this rat race, or you just want enough money coming in from a side hustle just to live a little bit more comfortably and more financially secure. And maybe, like I was, you don't know how to do that, or you're just overwhelmed thinking about the entire process. And I get that. And it's really no wonder because there are so many get rich quick YouTube videos out there with these like kids showing off their rented Lamborghinis and private jets. And I was watching this and I was like, how do I get from where I am now to that level? I really wasn't interested, and I'm still not, in getting a Lamborghini, but I was interested in changing my life. But I didn't know how to do that. But what I'm about to show you, this is the only thing that worked for me. And that's because it was simple to understand, simple to start, and more importantly, it got me my first sale. And that first sale changes everything. Because as long as you can make one sale, you can make 2, then 10, and then really the sky is the limit from there. And the reason, what I'm about to show you, this business, the reason it's so scalable is because of the nature of dropshipping, the definition of it. You see, dropshipping is where you sell products that you don't own or have in stock. Only after the product sells do you then purchase it from a supplier who then ships it directly to your customer. So you see how low the risk is with this? You don't need to buy a bunch of inventory that might never sell. You only buy it after someone has already bought it from you. Let me show you how that works. So I'm here on eBay right now and I found this product. It's this 5-shelf bookshelf. You can see it right here. It's this nice black color. There's a plant next to it. There's a chair here. It's selling for $75, as you see right here, and it is sold 74 times. So this is a pretty good item, right? Here's the really cool thing. Take a look at this item, and now look at this one on Walmart that's selling for just $49.88. This is the exact same item. So literally all this person has done was they came over to Walmart, found this, they took the photos, downloaded them to their computer, uploaded it to a listing on eBay. They took the description, copied the description from Walmart and pasted it into eBay, took the title and made it a bit better, and then they marked up the price of the item. That is literally all they did here, copy and paste. And now if this item on eBay sells, which we know it is selling, it's sold 74 times. Every time that happened, this person, all they had to do was come over to Walmart, add it to the cart, go through the checkout process. eBay gives you the address to ship it to. So instead of entering in your address, you would enter in the buyer on eBay, their address, and ship it directly to them. Walmart will ship it directly to the customer for you. That is what dropshipping is. So as soon as I saw this, I thought, I can do this. This doesn't seem that hard. It's just copying and pasting. It's pretty simple. So I started to do this myself. And there's a formula really to use in order to find these products. Let me show you how that works. So I'm just gonna go over to ebay.com, and what I'll search for at the top is the word mainstays. You can see I've done this before because this is a good place to start. Now, Mainstays is a brand that only Walmart sells. You see, this is a Mainstays framed 5-shelf bookcase. Mainstays is a brand. If I click on this, I can see all the different Mainstays products. Is a brand that only Walmart, they own it. So if you see anyone on eBay, like right here, when I search for Mainstays, you see all these people selling Mainstays products. They are drop shippers. They are drop shipping from Walmart onto eBay. And that is the first step of this. We want to find other people who are drop shipping, because as soon as you do that, if you open up any of these, let's open up a few of them and look around. So look at this one. Let's look at this one, this one, this one. And what I'm looking for is who's selling this. And not only who it is, but do they have a lot of sales? So these people, I'm looking right here under seller information. This person doesn't have any feedback. So they're pretty new. This person only has 2 feedback, but this person right here has 238 feedback. So we know this person's drop shipping and they have a decent amount of feedback. So this is a good store for us to look at. In fact, if I click on their store name and then click on the left where it says says items for sale, I can see all the items that they're drop shipping. And a lot of these items will be drop shipped from Walmart here onto eBay. So now all I have to do is go in and sell those exact same products that this seller is selling successfully. So coming in here, let's look at maybe this one, open up this item. These are all the items in this seller's store. All right, this item is sold. It's sold once, so not bad. Let me see if I can find something a little bit better. So here's one right here. This rolling tool cabinet storage chest has sold 5 times and it's $155. So you better believe they're making a nice healthy profit margin with this item all the times that they sold it, which is 5 times. And if it's sold 5 times, it's going to keep selling. So now I found this exact same product on Walmart. Here it is right here. You can see that the picture matches up. Now all I'm gonna do is list up this product into my own eBay store. Now I have a Chrome extension that does this for me. It's the Dropshipping Titans Marketplace Helper. Me and my team, we developed this Chrome extension specifically to do this. And I put in here how much I want to increase the price by, 30% in this case, and you could change around some other settings in here. But look how cool this is. We have a blank listing here on eBay. It's completely blank. And all I'm going to do is push this button on this drop down and it's bringing everything over. It brings over the photos for me automatically, brings over the title. I would go ahead and change this title. I want to fill it with keywords that people are actually going to be searching for when they are looking for this item. I don't want to just use the random title that's given to me. eBay is a search engine, so we want to make sure that when people are searching, this item shows up. So I'm going to fill that with keywords that people are actually going to be searching for. It also brings over the description. It's marking up the price. So it does a lot of the busy work for you. I don't have to copy and paste everything myself. So I would just list these products up for sale the exact way I just showed you anytime I had free time, before work, during my lunch break, on the weekends, and I would do as many listings as I could because it really doesn't cost any money in the beginning to list up your first products onto eBay. Then I made my first sale. Just one at first, then another, then several a day, then many a day. So it was working, but a problem came up. Some of the items, when I went to buy them from Walmart, they were out of stock. Others had gone up in price, so I was losing money. And that's where automation software comes in. This is a software I use called AutoDS. And the really cool thing about it is that inside this account, which is just a test account that I use for YouTube, we have a bunch of items in here. These are all items that I could have listed on my eBay store. So if any of these items, some of them from Walmart, some of them from Amazon, different places like that, if the prices of these items go up, if the item goes out of stock, AutoDS knows that. It can see that and it can make changes for you or let you know about those changes so that you can make them. So it's really, really powerful because all you have to do is plug it in and it keeps track of all that for you automatically. And this software is so important because it allows you to spend less time running your business, checking on prices and stock levels, and you can spend more time doing the only thing that really matters, the only thing that really grows your business, which is product research, adding more items. So when you bring all these elements together, the simple system of dropshipping where you don't have to buy any products up front, the fact that eBay handles all the marketing for you, the fact that AutoDS does all the heavy lifting when it comes to repricing and restocking, knowing all of that, does this sound doable to you? And just to put this into perspective, you can see that this has worked for many of my students. So here's one of my students right here. He's done in the past 90 days over $178,000 in sales. We have another success story here. We have him doing over $100,000 in the past 30 days. Phil here doing over $61,000 in sales. Muhammad over $63,000 in sales. Seth here has done over $200,000 in sales. So this actually does work. Now look, this is a YouTube video. I tried to give you a bunch of free value right here in this video. And if I was able to do that so far, please give this video a thumbs up. That's all I ask. But if you want to actually do this, start an eBay dropshipping business, and you want a step-by-step guide on how to do that, then check out my course. It's a complete A to Z guide on how to set up a successful eBay dropshipping business. All the information about it can be found at the first link down below, or just go to dropshippingtitans.com and check it out.